Oh, gross.
This is so cool. Look at that. Jacob is going to flip out. The snake has the frog's head in its mouth.
Save the frog.
I am not saving the frog. Are you freaking kidding me?
Oh, wait a minute. Am I going to be in this video?
Yeah, they can hear you.
Oh.
You're on speaker.
Okay.
Oh. Shoot, there's a leaf on it. It's disgusting how close I have to get to this thing. Can you see it?
You should act like you're trying to steal the frog away.
Hell no. Are you kidding me? There's a leaf in my way, though. That is so... It's so cool, but it's so disgusting.
That is such a slow death. I'm so sorry for the frog. You know, they paralyze them, so then they just have to sit there and get eaten slowly.
Oh, man.
What a way to die.
Oh. The snake will eat the frog. Oh, I cannot believe it's got that. I mean, it's a big frog. I can't believe it's got its head, and it's not a very big snake, but
What kind of frog is it?
it's just a big old toad.
No, we'll say toad, not frog.
We have tons of them around here. I've never seen so many toads in my life. Oh! Oh! I'd like to know how it's going to get to the belly of this toad.
Oh, they expand.
I know. I don't know what kind of snake this is because it's got like some red on it. And spots.
I don't know, that's sad. He seems to know the snakes down there.
What?
Here, I'll Google it. Black snake with red spots?
It's like green. It's a green snake.
Green snake with red spots.
And no, it's green.
Oh.
On the bottom. And then it's up by its head. It's got like, it's red. It goes from green to yellow to red. Then with some black spots on it. Okay. I think that's enough show.